freedom fighter and whatever that comes out of their mouths no. That guy has made a very stupid comment about a Akofu Addo. Now more and more supporters are guy no based on the Akofu Addo. You guys are hypocrites. I'm telling you the truth. Obi a supporter guy ni bia a on your kafa I fear home business no bia no we hypocrites. I see people here in New York on my videos a supporter guy no I almost supported on a fear and talk and almost supported that guy. You guys are hypocrites because you think that these guys have followers and you just want to be appreciated. You just want your followers to like you guys. You guys are hypocrites. Obeti Ghana to me be a business after I am playing for 8 yomoka. Then you go by saying or you or the sabi or you not seen soon and soon. Fufu or whatever word I'm using or you not seen you and a soon. No, that just say so you just want to collapse a business, right? What's in Germany or whatever? Won't you put me be Ghana man go yeah. We that we are here in the Tikroma saying yeah be Ghana. You have to talk as long for the age, we have been able to do something at home. Much to come up with that. When you so much because social media is too cheap because I say you can easily get internet, offer phone and quite videos on one more. When you say youth where more youth and I used to be a man in the hall. Mamma says our boys, so you fine. There's some of the things I can't say you can be any. It be okay. Yes, because the government must do certain things for the nation. But you don't just make videos. Now you be now who mean I'm a buff. I'm sick. I make a number buff. Come possess what take a Akofu Addo business. Not her personality, but her business. Only go for a juma. Only go for a video money or bush now. Bush from Ghana, Crampo, Ebu Camp. You also want to find excuses for them. I am planning for Uchomoka. That you guys will just be making all sort of evil utterances against her business. Not just, so in this case, you just want to collapse the business, right? God will punish you, this guy. God, for Munya Sani Manamoya, and so I tell myself, money that hole. Mamu chase our boys, who use Obian taking their own life into their own hands. They did come and check in Japan, honorable. That man is doing a lot of things for the nation. Use the Muntie honorable in Japan. Let me tell you, America has it on. Even including hospitals, about 15% per NA government there. I'm telling you the truth. About 15% per NA government. I mean, customer government is not Ghana, but we don't depend on government for everything. A Gumo Kroma say New York has a crampono, a Gumo Kroma say no. The government is only managing things in this nation. Even including hospitals, St. Barnabas, Montefiore, individuals, the CC companies. It's not owned by government. A lot of jobs work from a Juma individuals, the government there. It's Munya Samu Jamotona Abanya, Abanya, fine. Government, they have a role to play. A pioneer government, so yet we have to make sure at least health sector will be okay. But one can set taxes from Abanya taxes because Kuma say never to be able to tax. And here is how whatever you pay here, you put your own tax. And it's a system where you just a tax system so then you have to expect the best from the government. But take your own life into your own hands. Don't be looking at these guys trying to act as if say they've traveled abroad or want to come for the first time. They're making all sort of utterances and videos where sometimes you say be any people. Because what you come and say when you say or being to me phone in your life and you need be at them. If I choose here, but you make all sort of videos. Don't be for because you think say you are in America, you are in Germany. Obey to me, my but reference system here, you cannot stand anywhere and just make videos and be throwing in sort of on people. Because wherever you are, the location will be, they will just come and take you. They will just come and pick you up. Timunya Sajana Akofu Addo will be a video now or yet buying obey video not fine. They have a role to play, and again the government in independence and there. Don't put everything on the MPP government, and those so-called freedom fighters now, they just want to back this government, Master, some of you are hypocrites. I know the reason I'm saying this. Some of you are doing this for your stomach. There are some who are good, fine. We have to make sure that the nation goes, everything goes on well for the nation. But some of you are hypocrites. Some of you are hypocrites. I will try a video say a Akofu Addo fufu no never nsuo. Now what you Germany and some more I want to just want to has what me employ Ghana so onya djuma. What me be company so be obi now want me take care of it, not me find for me head bush for. You make all sort of evil, stupid videos. Now we will be in country, because you have stupid followers. Yes, followers don't be much now. Papa. Because whatever you put on the internet, they like, they share, and you guys, you feel like you have people who are listening to you. You're such shameless hypocrites. You are just whack. Obey me, or Baba said to me, be a Juma Afan crop for, and near my Ukraine sample. Because I mean, can be that. I PZTV New York, Obi and Shama, PZTV New York. Maybe your blogger. Me, I put a lot of me used to be a fan of Jim Murphy. Obi and fan of Jim Murphy. Sure, sometimes you're in university or Ghana, you're thinking, say, those days, when each of me is Central University, I have to get a job, my application now, Master. Have a concept, plan something by yourself. Say, sure, be whatever, start small. Don't think, say, oh, but I'm a government, what we use university, I'm a work to snakes, cocoa board, how you know, choke. Government jobs, that is what that is the impression I want to create. Don't think that the government has a lot of jobs to employ all the youth, all the graduates after university. No. We have to change our mindset. You're making sure that at least you're planning ahead of time. Listen now, whatever that is for the nation, engineering and technology. Your course, maybe banking and finance, business administration, human resources, and whatever. Those sectors, no, how are you even going to get a job? But so which say be technology, engineering, what I say painting, so even technical aspect, no, you're tuning going to be a bar, might be university, or be a bar, might be university. But America has in New York, has in, or bit me call just 3-4 months course. No, I know yes, because your purpose technologies, as you mean, you're going to be a degree, or be a degree. We are now quite a degree, no. Or him David guy now saw a video. We think obviously you feel like you're a man. Officer, you're being maybe a man. Oh, we video now can cross 7 now in some here can. You just mere allegations now the two banners so say or a few shots say where in so autono and I say or no me mad that was not so. Look at this now. Gonna for me change me same way. Now me change me same way. More man in the hall. Now so guys, so much to chrome or be more America having no much Germany whatever no. Omo busa from promoting point show omo. Omo timi ponka se bia me nya be ho chenche me man kakra be other start business. But they just come online, on live, no more videos, no more yewe, me ho abubusa for Ghana timi show omo. Munya sa jimi sem na too much Ghana ho. Munya sa jimi sem no. Obi abeso ya blogger, then they just take your phone because the internet is too cheap. They just come online, say all sort of things and they just go scot free. Me how nso kroma say we open bi sesi patch phone so na ye live na ye pani bi sesi na kase ye mechewa na popa ye London na ye live na kase tia queen say ye source sesi am fa won kwa but you guys feel like say freedom of speech in Ethiopia ye dey be Africa be jimi ani abuse no. We abuse everything in Ghana, we abuse everything in Africa. Freedom of speech in democracy is now you be because we think that is freedom of speech. That is stupidity. That is stupidity. Some say be walk school they wouldn't do what you guys are doing. They wouldn't just pick up a phone and try to create an impression say be okay or nation be who told you everything is okay in America? Me can say America and yet America yes in Ghana oh fine. But definitely no every nation be started somewhere. What I say. And so if you are trying to back the you don't go this way. One day, so believe that that's so be so ebe kaseti away. Oba fan saying. One day, one can be president, and our papa be president, and our belly that be. Now so you to be switch phone. Now so or suggest or place a lot of insult against them. Or ebe what there. Sabi papa na ma meto mpo mutim mpo nya omusa. And out me phone Akofu Addo kwasia, futum for Jimmy for. Most support them most munyimba. If this is how the trend wants to go there, most munyimba. If the youth of Ghana wants to make sure say they go by insult there, most munyimba. One day, woman will be because Baba Etron at the hall. Baba Etron at the hall. We don't put the nation with insults. We don't do that. We don't do that.